happy Sunday. I am finishing up getting ready for a housewarming party today, and I'm also going to be meeting up with my bridesmaids and hopefully choosing all of our bridesmaids dresses, ordering them, getting that part done so we don't have to worry about it anymore. Right now I'm about to overdraw the out of my lips. Don't judge me. I really don't feel like I overline them that much. I mostly just line like the outside of them, you know? Mostly just in the Cupid's bow. That's what I've learned. Overdraw the Cupid's bow on the bottom lip, line underneath in this little divot, line the rest of your lip normal, and your lips look way bigger. Those are my little tricks of the trade. So I'm kind of moving slowly this morning. I was going to continue my 4:30 kind of wake up time today, but I didn't get to sleep until pretty late, until probably midnight. I slept until 7:30, made some breakfast, cleaned up, sat down to edit, and then of course my frickin' mouse was dead. So I just started getting ready, and I've kind of been taking my time doing it just because I enjoy doing that so much. See that? What lip color do I want to use today? My lips have been so dry and crusty, and I keep forgetting to use my lip scrub. So let's just try regular lipstick in the center. I actually really like these little lipsticks. I keep them in my purse. They're just from Essence. I have a couple of like really light shades that I like to pop in the center. This one is in the shade 11 Nude Love. I'm gonna kind of blend that in with another lip liner. And this one's by Essence too. I really like some of their lip products. My eyebrows are a little strong today. Ooh, I almost forgot to highlight my inner corner. And I pretty much always do it with this little highlighter. This is the Starlit Powder by Makeup Forever in the shade number 13. I think I use this almost every single time I do my makeup, whether it's for a face highlight or usually in the inner corner. It just gives a super vibrant pop. Oh yeah. I think I'll leave it at that. I don't want to do too crazy today. Said me never. Makeup is done. Throw in some Essence Brow Gel, because apparently this video is sponsored by Essence. JK, nobody sponsors me. I'm not cool enough, apparently. Now to try to find something to wear that I haven't already worn in the vlog and in front of the people that I'm going to be hanging out with 1,000 times already. I don't even know if that's an option. Alright, so I just did like a quick little, I don't know, like a bend almost in my hair. I haven't brushed it out yet. It'll fall out on its own. But the sun's out and I don't know how cold it is. So I just wore like a cropped long sleeve with a cardigan. Jeans, booties, the usual, you know. Alright guys, so I am home and we have pretty much picked out our bridesmaids dresses. The only thing that kind of sucked is like the sample dresses don't come in the color that we would actually be ordering it in, so it's hard to get the full visualization going, but Philip, I'm very busy, do not text me. Hopefully the girls are happy with their dresses. So all the girls have a different style dress, but they'll all be ordered in the same color. So hopefully that all looks good. I think it will be completely fine. I didn't want to like over control and tell them what I wanted them to have or what I wanted them to wear. I mean, they have to wear the dress, so I honestly just wanted them to pick absolutely whatever dress they felt most comfortable in, and hopefully we found some good ones. So that's one more thing we don't have to worry about. But it is getting close to 8 o'clock. I do of course have an early morning, so I need to hurry up and get in some food so I'm not eating too incredibly late. And I think I'm going to stick with something kind of light. I froze some bananas the other day, so I think I'm going to throw them in the food processor and make a banana ice cream, because that's sounding pretty yummy right now, even though I'm freezing right now. But I got my Aldi's robe and we are just going to push through. Frozen bananas. I think I'm going to throw in some of my chocolate protein powder. So if you never tried banana ice cream, absolutely try it. If you have fun stuff to like put in it, I do prefer it to like vegan ice creams and stuff, just because it's way more healthier and it's super sweet. So you just stick it in your food processor, and I just start at kind of low and I go higher and higher. But you just keep blending it until it becomes nice and smooth.
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find piece of me. I wanna be, I wanna be, I wanna find.
Oh, that looks amazing. Dinner is served. Yeah, you guys are gonna see a trend of these. So good. So right now I feel like I'm kind of on like a little bit of like a mini bulk. To be 100% transparent here, I wasn't exactly excited about how my ass looked in my dress the second and third go around. The first time when I tried on the sample dress months ago, that was my favorite part about the dress, was my butt. And now, you know, it's just not the same. And now it's just not the same. So yeah, I feel like I'm definitely gonna be upping up my protein. I've been doing like 2 protein shakes a day. I'm just basically trying not to be in a calorie deficit right now, but still working out a lot and trying to stay really toned. So I don't know. I'm gonna play with things. Of course, once it gets closer to wedding, I will probably really try to lean out, but I'm really trying to make sure that that booty is right. So I don't have very long to edit, but I'm going to quickly get in some editing, and I will see you guys early in the morning. Good night. Happy Monday. One workout down, another workout to go in less than 12 hours, but hopefully it's going to be a good day. I'm going to be productive. First thing I need to do, make a smoothie. Second thing I need to do is explain this jacket. This is a DC jacket that was Phillips well past 10 years ago, that stopped being cool well past 10 years ago, and I wear it to the gym every morning because I'm too cheap to buy a new jacket. So this morning was a interval circuit, which typically I can't really film because we're doing more so like stations throughout the room. So there's like people everywhere and I don't want to film other people. So I'm glad I brought my camera because it was set up a little different today. We just had our own individual stations. So that was cool. And then this evening I have an all ball circuit class, which is probably definitely going to be one of those that I can't film, but trust me, I will be there, and I know you will be there in spirit, right? So I'm gonna make a smoothie. Same old same. Jump in the shower. I want to try to be early to work today if possible. Not sure how that's gonna pan out, but you know, shoot for the moon, land on the stars. Maybe I'll be on time. I don't know. I'll see you later.
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find a peace.
Alright, I'm home. Second gym class is done. I'm starving, so I'm gonna try to prep some food real quick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a quick spaghetti, but a zucchini spaghetti. We're making zoodles. Get the sauce going. First and foremost, make a giant mess. I'm gonna throw these meatless meatballs into the sauce while they cook. Those are from Aldi's and they are so freaking good. Before I start with my noodles, because I need to put these groceries away, I'm just gonna show you the only really interesting things that I grabbed from the grocery store just now. I got a bunch of celery. This is new, I've never tried this before. I plan on doing some kind of like burrito, or at least like a burrito bowl with this. I got this expensive ass yogurt, which I've had before and I don't love, but I have an idea of like maybe trying to use it in like protein pancakes to substitute for egg. I don't know if that will work, but we'll find out. I'm not a big creamer person because they do have sugar, but you know, Christmas. Romaine lettuce has not been available for a long time because it had like E. coli or some shit, so I got some now that it's back, and it better not fucking kill me, okay? I did get some hummus. Like, I'm on a hummus kick right now. I had some hummus with little carrots today, and it was delish, so I did get some hummus. roasted garlic, roasted red peppers. So I'm gonna throw all this in the refrigerator as quickly as possible, make my little zoodles. And I seen a lady on YouTube, she actually just threw hers in the microwave for 3 minutes and she says it cooks them perfectly. So I'm gonna do that because it sounds a lot easier and you don't have to use like oil in your pan. So I ended up putting it in for an extra minute since it's a bigger batch, but I'd say it looks pretty good. Good morning, guys. I made a this morning. So whenever I wake up real early, I always go kind of get back in bed and cuddle with Philip right before he gets out of bed. But this morning I didn't get back up. I went to sleep way too late last night. When I was editing this morning, I felt dead inside, and not the normal dead inside, which concerned me. I probably only had 5 hours of sleep, and I know I can't run off that. That was just not doable for me. I could have definitely done it. I'm a little disappointed in myself, but I did go back to sleep. So I'm making a very quick breakfast right before I leave the house. Cutting up some strawberries for some oatmeal. And I already made my celery juice ready to go to work. Breakfast is ready.
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find a piece of me. I wanna find myself, but again
Just finished my strength training class, and now we're gonna go do some butt workouts. Let's go. Alright, Philip's friend is here and I don't want to be weird, embarrass him, so I'm being very quiet. But I'm making some tofu, just had a protein shake. So how about I met another YouTuber at the gym today? So that was cool. I'm going to leave his YouTube handle right here. He's been doing YouTube for like 8 months and has like the same subscriber count as I do. And I've been doing it for like 4 years, you know. I kind of messed up my tofu because I was trying to dry it with a paper towel, and every time I try to do that, it like crumbles. But I just like to cook it with liquid aminos, and I like to season it, usually with like a salt-free garlic and herb seasoning, and then crushed red pepper. Yes. And you kind of want to over season your tofu. I promise you won't regret it. So I kind of just made this like a scramble and threw some avocado on top. Good morning, friends. Woo! So this morning was supposed to be a bar boot camp, but the instructor was sick. Taryn, I hope you're feeling better. So Kayla taught a boot camp class this morning, which I really do hate boot camp classes, but this one wasn't bad. I mean, it sucked, but I feel really good right now, so that's good news. I am going to make the quickest juice ever in a protein smoothie. I gotta get in the shower, wash my hair. I have a company lunch today for Christmas, so I need to look halfway decent. So I'm gonna be so fast right now, okay?
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to find a piece of me. I wanna find myself.
I look like shit. I'm of course gonna have to do my freaking makeup on the way to work. But I've got my little tofu scramble with my peppers and my tomatoes in there. Gonna take that to work with an avocado to put on top. I had that last night, so good. Got my smoothie. I already had a coffee before I left the house this morning, earlier this morning. This So good. This is an almond milk creamer and the flavor is Christmas. Mint cocoa, really, really good. It has 2 grams of sugar. I have a concert to go tonight, so I guess I'll probably see you when I'm getting ready for that after I get off of work. See you later. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Hello, hello. So I'm home early from work now. Christmas dinner went well. I got some sweet potato fries and like a blackened salmon. I haven't had salmon in so long. I only ate about half of it, but it was okay. I'm pretty sure we have to leave the house in like an hour to go to this show. And normally I would come home from work, wipe my whole face and makeup, start over and do something really dramatic to go. But I'm gonna take this time to edit. I don't have to look, you know, extra nice tonight. It's not a big deal. I need to get some editing done, so that's what I'm gonna do. Priorities, people, priorities. What's this puppy doing over here? What are you doing? He's been grumpy over his little toy. He's been grumpy. Have you been grumpy? He's grumpy. Good morning. Holy cow, I look tired. Got my green juice. Try to get woken up. Go to work. Didn't drink anything last night. I didn't get in as late as I anticipated, but still pretty late. I didn't get home till like, oh no, 11:30. I'm just so tired. I want to go back to bed. Oh, that didn't go well. Is this brow not staying up? I've done soap browed you down like 4 times. Do as you're told. I feel like I look like an absolute different person with makeup on. Like, what is this wizardry? I lost that. I will never find that again. Oh my gosh. The sun. Oh jeez. Ah! It's too bright. It's not the same.
You fall off, get burpee. Just kidding. That's motivation though, right?
Let's just sit you in the microwave. Hello. Oh my god, my sauce. Oh my god, my sauce just splattered on me. I can't cook for shit. Ugh.
When y'all are burning, she's really burning. Because we gave her heavier weight. We can't ever have enough gossip, right? I don't care who said I hate gossip. You love to listen to it. We have lavender towels. We'll get the wine. I'm okay with that. We'll do this. Bicep. Okay, Mama, we'll switch. We'll do bicep curls at the bottom of the line and drink it. But you can't because you're not old enough. I will check ID. How much more I can do?